Want y'all?
I'm about to go first.
You know, I think it's something you can put where you can have in your hand where you can stop it.
Shoot, that's
Is it something
recording?
like that that you
No.
That's your job.
I mean, if you had a selfie stick.
selfie stick? Is there anything that you can have where you can control it?
But like, it's not
This
like you can
from
carry a selfie stick
standing
around.
over there. No. Oh, okay.
Alright, that's looking good. That's looking good. Now, where your market at? Looking good. No, you don't have to do that. Hey, look, pay attention to this. Let me show you guys
That's
this.
your thing. Help us out.
Perfect.
We give that job to you. Take over.
You know it, I get it now.
Right.
You be stalking me, I'm like, what?
About that.
That's all what you know.
Let me put this one.
And that's good. I've seen some of his videos that he did. I was looking at him on Instagram.
Right.
Yeah.
I didn't know it took that much.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. Now,
See?
right where he
We
put his
see it
mark at,
from, you know,
Right.
see it through social media.
that's, you need to put
I
it
learned a lot of stuff about my kids on
closer.
Facebook.
Maybe
Right.
right there.
Yeah, 'cause they-
Because if you look at this coupling,
Right.
see how the coupling is? Right there in the center? That's where the pipe meet. So the pipe meet, like if you know, put two pieces together. So it meet like that, once you cut it, and then join in. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that's how you mark it. So, you see the cutter?
That's what I'm looking at. Oh, it's right there behind
Alright, we're gonna cut that. No. Sorry. Make sure, yeah, go ahead. We're gonna cut that. I gotta get something for you guys to cut on.
You're like a block.
Oh. You want me to cut it?
I think I got it.
It's about to die.
It's about you.
Let me see.
You got the reamer?
So you need, this one couple. So what he's doing here, everybody else is gonna do it also. Because now, the next thing to do, he did this, so the next person need to do that down at the bottom. And that at the bottom, check this out. There's another way you can do it. Let's say if you get a full stick up.
What am I connecting at? I might grab it.
You gotta make sure it's level.
Okay.
Let me see that, tape measure. You get a full stick up, and you measure from the end of this pipe to the front end or the back end of the pipe.
The back.
Yep. And that's that's 14. That looks like it's 14" 90. See that?
Yeah.
Now we need a 14" 90. And once you do a 14" 90, it might be too long, but it's long enough you can measure it right there and then you cut it. That make sense? Let me get some space and get me some recording here. Get some views, brother. Let me see. Go ahead and tighten it up. Looking good. Now, supports. Here's the thing you use the supports on. That's what, she didn't bring the 10 cents. I'll show you guys two supports. Because you know, wait a minute, no. In Conduit, your first support should be within what?
6 inches.
Anybody know?
Is it 6 or 8?
Not 6 inches.
5?
You wouldn't know.
But is it 5?
No. 3
Oh.
feet.
Oh.
3 feet. So within 3 feet, you gotta have support. But if it's going through a stud, less than 3 feet, that acts as a support. This acts as a support, so you're good. See what I'm saying? But I want to practice you guys getting the support. How would we support this? How would we support this? Let's say if you had another pipe you have to go up, that's when you use these spread bars. Those spread bars, you can use that as a support. Pause this.